Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively open your laptop and handle the components. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad S540-13 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. Locate the screws along the perimeter of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of each screw and its location, as they can vary in size. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips during this process. Now that you have access to the internal components, it's crucial to clean the area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated on the motherboard and fans. This step is essential for ensuring optimal performance. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind. With a clean workspace, locate the motherboard. Before proceeding, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues. Look for the battery connector and gently unplug it. Next, identify the screws securing the motherboard in place. Carefully remove these screws while keeping them organized. If you're unsure about the process, our pickup and delivery at your home service is available, allowing you to send your laptop for repairs without any hassle. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Be careful with the attached cables and connectors, they can be fragile. Check for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you identify any issues, a quote before repair can help you decide on the best course of action. If you're replacing the motherboard, take the new one and align it with the connectors and screw holes. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery and all cables securely, ensuring no loose connections remain. After everything is in place, it's time to test the laptop. Before sealing it up, power it on to check if the motherboard revision was successful. If everything is functioning correctly, proceed to replace the back cover. Align the cover and press down gently until it snaps into place. Finally, reinsert all screws to secure the cover. In summary, revising the motherboard of your Lenovo IdeaPad S540-13 involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service to make your experience as convenient as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out for any assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.